Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this forever. I have a handbag unboxing today guys, and this bag actually dropped last year, but I totally skipped out on it. I saw it online and I was just like, you know, if you don't already know by my thumbnail, it is the Crystal Coach bag guys, one of them, because they did have the swinger. And then they had the, what is that one called? The Hamptons. Okay, I'm looking at my phone. The Hamptons one, right? And I was just like, oh, they look okay, but I think I'm good, you know? And then I started seeing it on people's videos and I was like, oh my God, it's gorgeous, you know? And it just, the pictures on the website were just not doing it justice. So I just left it alone, you know? I was like, whatever. But like I said, when I saw it on people's videos, I was just like, oh my God, I can't believe I missed out on it. And then they brought them back, guys. Both of them, the Swinger and the Hamptons. And then they brought other ones too, which I'll talk about later because I'm still debating on. But I got the Swinger, guys. I'm so excited. She just got here yesterday and I can't wait to unbox her, guys. I want to use her this weekend. So, or right now, I think I'm going to switch into her like once I unbox it, guys. I'm so excited. But she's in a tiny box. I don't own any like Swinger Coach bags. So, yeah, I didn't realize how small it was. This is how it came. She is tiny. Oh my gosh. Let's open her up now. I need to see her. So I got my handy dandy crafting knife to open her up. Look at her. She's so cute bedazzled, right? I did show you guys how to do this. If you want to learn exactly how to bling it out, I'll link it down below so you have something beautiful to unbox your handbags with. So yeah. Okay. So she is taped up over here. Do you guys have this bag? Are you thinking about it? Guys, I was just like, you know what? It's meant for me to have one of these bags because they came back in stock. Supposedly they were like limited edition and I saw it come back in stock, so I was like, you know what, if it comes back, it's meant to be. And here she is, guys. It was meant to be. So yeah, let's open her. Sorry if I'm like blabbing a lot. I'm just so excited, guys. It's crystal, a crystal bag. I love to bling, you know, so understand my excitement. Okay, so yeah. Oh my gosh, Coach, thumbnail time. I'm so excited. Okay, so it has like a little tape thingy right here. And I did get this directly from the Coach website. Okay, I know they have them on Amazon. They have them at Dillard's too. But yeah, I don't have any Dillard's close to me. Like the closest one is like 2 hours away. Amazon is not in stock currently. But at the Coach website, they did have them. And they like randomly come back in stock, guys. So if you are interested, just keep an eye on it. They are restocking like crazy. So yeah. Ooh, fancy, fancy. Coach New York. Thank you. It says a little note. Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with quality and attention to detail. Coach has been known for since 1941. If you have any questions, we would love to hear from you at customer care. And then the number. Coach is committed to environmental responsibility. Our packaging is made from recycled fibers. So that's what it says. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's a bag. It comes in a dust bag. How cute and fancy. Oh my gosh, guys, she is tiny. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize how small she was. So let's open her up. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, I haven't looked at her. Okay, I felt it. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, a crystal bag, dust bag. Okay. This is gorgeous. She is so stinking cute, guys. Guys, the damn website just does not do it justice. The pictures they have on there, like I said, the first time around last year, I was just like, I didn't even realize these were crystals, okay? That's how like bad their pictures are. I did not know these were like real crystals. I thought it was just like glitter or something, you know? But these are crystals. Oh my gosh. And guys, now I think I see a problem. Hold on. I have to get a close look at it. I think I got a random rhinestone in here. This is a bag. Not to be picky, but do you see that one? Doesn't glow like the other ones. It doesn't have the same shimmer. It's a different rhinestone. Yes, I noticed that. Okay, I noticed that right away. But guys, oh my gosh, she's so cute. I don't know if I should get another one because that's gonna be bothering the shit out of me. Am I being too picky? Let me know. Look at it. I'm gonna face it this way so you guys can see it. Can you notice it? It's this one right here. You see how it's like dark? It doesn't shimmer like the other ones. I don't know. But this is a backside, so maybe I'll just be like, whatever. Guys, she is so cute. I really thought she was gonna be a little bit bigger. I don't know. She's so cute though. Okay, so she has a little strap thing right here. I don't know if I should just leave it alone. But yeah, so these are the tags. It says Coach Leather Wear. Coach Leather Wear. So this is like the regular tag. And then this one says The Swinger Limited Edition 1987. Do you guys see that? So yeah, has the tags. It does have a detachable strap, which I love. And one of the reasons I was so hesitant with her, because at the first drop at the beginning of last year, I did want the Hamptons one. But then like now at this time, you know, you switch bag, you know, types that you like at different times of your life. And this time I was like, you know what, I'm feeling this bag. I'm feeling it. I want it. I think it's such a cute, like, you know, quick, just throw on. The only thing was that I'm like, is it gonna fit my arms? Because I have thick arms, guys, okay? Not because I'm buff, but because I'm like, you know. Yeah, so I was like, I don't know. And then I ordered an extra extension strap, so I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna try it on right now, but yeah, so you know what, I'm just gonna take this off. I'll probably just keep her, guys. I don't want to be like, you know, picky. It's not missing a rhinestone, it's just a different rhinestone that was used. So yeah, it closes like that. I think that's a cute detail, right? So cute. Let's open her up. Smooth zipper, super smooth. Gonna take off the stuffing. Where's my chain? I don't see no chain. Okay, it's in here. I was like a little worried for a second. Okay, so it is attached to the bag in there. Not permanently, but just, you know, with a little thingy, plastic thing. So it does say Coach. It has a little history tag, whatever you call them. And then it has like a little card insert area. That is so cute. I love that. So cute. She looks like she will fit a good amount of stuff, you know, for a bag on the go. Okay, let's take this off because I need to make sure it fits. This is the strap. So this is a chain. It's like a silver chain. I really do appreciate that it is a removable strap. That helps a lot. Very lightweight, guys. Like no weight to this. Pretty much. I'm gonna clip it on because, guys, I'm still debating if I should keep it. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna fit my arm. I can already tell. Well, it does, but very, very tight. I mean, it's cute, but I don't really like it like that. I don't know. But like I said, I did buy extensions. I got these from Amazon. I'll link them down below if you have the same problem I do. If you're interested, look at this. It comes with two, same size. I figured that I just needed one. So it is fine like that, I guess. But, you know, for extra, I'm gonna add it. Let's see how it fits. So, this is the extension. I don't know how I like how it looks. Maybe I'll put it in the back because this is the outside. Okay, I think I feel a little bit more comfortable like that. Yeah, my husband said yeah. He's looking over there. Fat arm problems. When I lose some weight, maybe I'll take it off, but for now it will do, guys. And then with some charms, you won't even be able to like tell the difference, you know what I mean? So yeah, that is the situation I got going on. She's so cute. Okay, yeah, she's too cute. I'm so tempted with the other ones, guys, that they dropped. And that was another reason I did not go with the first drop when it dropped last year, because I was like, okay, I love it, I've seen the reviews, but I need this design in different bags. And they did bring it back this time around. They brought the first drop ones back, the 𝓭𝓨 and the Hamptons, and then they brought the Soho bags in like 2 different sizes. And I was like, oh my god, I'm so tempted, but I need to see it. Like, I need to touch it, I need to see how it looks, guys. And do I really need the same, you know, design on different style bags? What am I even saying, guys, right? Like, what the fuck? Obviously, you know, I like the same print on a different bag. So guys, should I get them? I don't know. The Soho bags, they're so cute. And then they dropped the other one. What is the other one with the super long like strap? It's like ginormous, and then it has like little feet. I don't know, I'll put a picture here. But yeah, they dropped that one too, and I was like, okay, keep the designs coming, guys. And then I heard that they're supposed to like be doing another one with like black crystals, maybe for the fall. So yeah, I'm like, I don't know, should I go for the Soho bags or just wait? Because, you know, I don't know, guys. I still haven't decided, but I really do love her. She is so adorable, guys. And I didn't get the wallet either because I figured, I was like, I can just use my LV ones, you know. I don't need to buy it. Okay, so says the responsible side of me, but the want side is like, buy it, girl, you know. So I don't know, but I love it, guys. She's so adorable. Oh my gosh, how do we look together, right? It's so gorgeous. I can't wait to use her. I don't know, that rhinestone is bothering me, but guys, it's not like I paid like thousands of dollars for it. I don't know, what would you do? Would you return it? Would you exchange it? I would exchange it if I do. I want this bag so bad. Look at it. Look at that little rhinestone. It's bothering me so bad. But everything else looks intact. I don't see any missing rhinestones or nothing. Gorgeous. I love her. Oh, she's so cute. I think I want the Soho bags, guys. It's so cute. I am loving Coach right now. I am loving everything they are doing. Guys, the prices are amazing. Beats LV, guys. I'm just loving Coach right now. I'm loving the prices. I love it. I love it. Do you have one? Do you have one of the crystal bags? Let me know. What do you think? Are you thinking about getting one, guys? She's just so gorgeous. Look. So stinking cute. She's very roomy for like on the go bag, you know. So cute. I love her. I don't know if I would want this in a gold hardware though. How would it look with gold hardware? But I think the silver is a nice choice though. I do prefer gold hardware over silver, but she's so cute, guys. I love her. I think they went with it because the inner letter rhinestones are, you know, silvery. So that's why they went with the silver hardware to match it. She's just so cute, guys. Oh my god, I love her. So cute. I am so happy with this purchase. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited. Let me know what bag you got if you're thinking about getting one. If, you know, you got it. Did I change your mind? Are you like, okay, I need one? Or you're like, okay, I'm good, you know? I don't know. Let me know your experience. I am just obsessed with this bag, guys. I'm so tempted. I am so tempted, guys. I don't know. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you did enjoy it as much as I enjoyed recording it and showing you guys my new bag. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you already did. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. And to you that just subscribed, thank you so much. Like, yes, I'm talking to you. I know you subscribe right now. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.